Hello everyone, welcome back. It's DC Technical here, and today I'm back with a new video about a computer virus that is Recycler. This is a deadly virus which converts all your files in your pen drive or a hard disk, external hard disk, into a shortcuts. You must have seen this virus. It is right now almost every computer out there in India, and nobody knows how to remove it. No antivirus like Avast or Kaspersky, etc., can handle this virus. So today I will tell you how to remove this virus, that is Recycler, from your computer, because it converts all the file into a shortcut, and this is so embarrassing in front of everyone when you run a file and it does not open. So let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to search for Malwarebytes on Google. The very first website you get is of Malwarebytes. Click on this and let the website open. Now from the Malwarebytes website, click on the free download and let the software download. You will get the option for traditional antivirus, Malwarebytes free, for buy now option, but don't go for that. Just go for free download for the first time and let the software download. Now when the software is downloaded, click on the Malwarebytes setup and click on the yes to let it run on your computer PC. Now you have to choose for personal computer and install and let it install. The installation will take few minutes, so be patient, and it will be directly proportional to the processor you are using. If you have a faster processor, it will install faster, and if you got a faster processor and a SSD instead of SSD, it will install a way faster than using a way old processor and HDD, that is hard disk, on your computer. A SSD, that is solid state drive, is way more faster than HDD, that is hard disk drive, but it is costlier also. It costs you more. That's why many people still prefer hard disk drive instead of SSD, and you can see SSD only in computers that are costlier in pricing. After the installation is completed, you will see the Malwarebytes shortcut on your PC screen. Just open it and wait for it to open. The Malwarebytes antivirus will now open. You have to click on Get Started and maybe later. Get started. This is a premium trial. You will get a 14 days trial on your PC. So you just need to scan it. It will start scanning. Let it scan. The Malwarebytes antivirus will now start scanning for every virus and malware in your PC. And it will also find that Recycler malware in your PC, which is responsible for making the shortcuts in your pen drive. Make sure that your PC or laptop is connected to the internet, because it will first check for updates. It will be beneficial for you because by giving them the permission to checking for updates, it will install the new virus definitions in your PC, due to which the newest virus removed by this software. If you won't allow them to check for update, it may be the most recent virus get exempted because it may not have the newest virus definitions in it. It is scanning and scanning and scanning. 2 minutes elapsed and it's scanning. The antivirus scanning process will take from few minutes to few hours, depending upon the speed of your hard disk or solid state drive and the number of files available in your PC, because it scans each and every file available on your PC for that viruses and malware to be removed. So you can now see that my computer, I don't even knew that my computer also have a malware in it, and it has scanned it successfully. Now I will quarantine it also. I am also quarantined and I will quarantine the virus also. When you have quarantined the virus, click on done, and you will get to the home screen. When you are on home screen after all the quarantine and checking stuff, click on detection history. You will get to this screen. Click on the malware sandbox option and click to delete. It will ask, are you sure to delete this item, and click on yes. It will delete the virus from your computer. So now you people know how to remove such a deadly virus from your computer, which creates such a nonsense in your computer of creating shortcuts in every pen drive you insert in your PC's USB. So by that, I will say thank you to your people. Namaste, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.